In this part, we have to discuss image formation of convex and concave lenses. So first, we have to discuss image formation of convex lens. Where convex lens na image kamaina form tawi habi maram da koi yan hana yeksi idea koi no image formation of convex se karida depend tawi bu asagi object distance ki makha pole the lens ki amount leriba object to lapagi matung ina magi image formation ju kendra kani aduna figure number 1 the ulije yengsi. So let us consider a convex lens, and here the object is placed at infinity, that is very far away from the convex lens. Object se yam lap na lena loba sigi figure number 1 the ulije. Now when the object is at infinity, then all the light rays coming from the object are parallel to each other. So in this particular figure, let us consider two light rays emerging from the distant object, and again these two light rays are parallel to the principal axis. So when the incident light rays are parallel to the principal axis, then after refraction, the refracted light rays should pass through the principal focus. So the two refracting light rays are intersecting at focus, that is capital F, and this intersecting point will be the position of image, that is capital I. Now when is the low is distant object ki lakpa light ray ani ka lore sigi light ray se parallel oigani maram the object yam lap leragadi aduga principal axis ka su parallel oire aduna refraction to matung da principal focus the power ni f se adu sigi intersecting points na position of image oigani aduga magi nature of the image ki magi nature hai tare magong matau se kamai lagi bu yam pikani highly diminished oigani aduga inverted oigani makhat down on vai tare object ka image ka compare to the inverted oini aduga image se real image oigani ba real image hargadi image is formed by the actual intersection of the refracted light rays tasing na light rays in the counter kind of form to image to ne real image kawi, and such type of image can be formed on the screen that you form to real image ko. Now point number 1 the let's see. When an object is at infinity, its image capital I will be formed at principal focus capital F. The nature of the image is real, inverted, and highly diminished in size as shown in figure 1. Next, point number 2 the mulaze. So in figure number 2, object AB is placed in front of the center of curvature, that is C2. Convex lens the central curvature ani suni maram the spherical surface ani lebina principal focus so ani suni f1 f2 c1 c2 ko. And here AB is placed in front of central curvature C2. Now we have to find out the position of image. So in order to find out the position of image, at least we have to consider two light rays emerging from the object. So let us consider an incident light ray emerging from the point A and parallel to the principal axis. So the refracted light ray will pass through focus F1. Principal axis ke head parallel oitar diko my refracted light ray is focus the power down F1 the. Then let us consider another light ray emerging from the same point A and passing through the optical center. Then after refraction, it will move without deviation. Optical center the light rays of gadi sum the sakini phaidu oi aduna sige refracted light rays ani se a dias the intersect orani, and this a dias will be the real position of the point capital A, that is position of image oidwini. So here a dias b dias represents image of this object AB. So from this figure we can say that when an object AB is placed in front of center of curvature C2, its image A dash B dash will be formed in between focus F1 and central curvature C1, and the nature of the image is inverted, diminished in size, and real image si real image kawi si ju ko adu inverted way aduga size se object ki hen pick ani. That is when we compare the size of the object and size of the image, the size of the image will be less than that of the object. So in point number 2 we may write like this: when an object AB is placed in front of center of curvature, that is C2, its image A dash B dash will be formed in between focus, that is F1, and center of curvature, that is C1. The nature of the image is real, inverted, and diminished in size as shown in figure 2. Next, in figure number 3, object AB is placed at center of curvature capital C2. Then, in order to find out the position of image, let us consider two light rays emerging from the same point A. So one of them is parallel to the principal axis and another is passing through the center of curvature, and after refraction the two refracted light rays are intersecting at the point A dash. So in figure number 3, here A dash B dash represents position of the image, and this image will also be formed at central curvature, that is C1. So in this case the size of the image is same as that of the object, and the nature of the image is real and inverted. Now object is central curvature C2 the thamtardi mag image A dash B dash is atopa central curvature da laini aduga size of the object ka size of the image ka samanani. Point number 3 da sumai iba yai: when an object AB is placed at C2, its image A dash B dash will be formed at C1, that is central curvature. The nature of the image is real, inverted, and same size as that of the object as shown in figure 3. And next, let us see figure number 4. In figure number 4, object AB is placed in between central curvature C2 and principal focus F2. And again, as in case of figure number 3, let us consider two light rays emerging from this point A. One is parallel to the principal axis and second one is passing through the optical center, capital O. It should be optical center, capital O. Then after refraction, the two refracted light rays are intersecting at point A dash. So here A dash B dash represents position of the image, and in this case the size of the image is larger than that of the object, and the image will be formed beyond C1. Aduna karigumba object sina central curvature ka focus ka marakta laitari magi image se central curvature into ga laigani aduga image ki size na object ki size ki hen sokalani. The nature of the image se real oigani, inverted oigani, aduga enlarged in size sokalakaneba. Aduna point number 4 we may write like this: when an object AB is placed in between C2 and F2, that is central curvature and focus, its image A dash B dash will be formed beyond central curvature C1. The nature of the image is real, inverted, and enlarged in size as shown in figure 4. Next, let us see figure number 5. In figure number 5, object AB is placed at principal focus F2, and as in the previous case, let us consider two light rays emerging from the same point A. One is parallel to the principal axis and second one is passing through the optical center. Then after refraction, the two refracted light rays are parallel to each other. So we have to say that the image will be formed at infinity, that is very far away from the convex lens, and the nature of the image is real, inverted, and highly enlarged in size. Object se focus subjana thamaba F2 the focus subjana thamtardi asagi refracted light rays se parallel oirasa khineba parallel oitardi magi image se yam la mane lawani aduga magi nature of the image se real image oigani aduga inverted oigani object ka image ka do inverted oil logani aduga yamna solve image aba oil logani ana point number 5 we may write like this: when an object AB is placed at f2, that is principal focus, its image will be formed at infinity. The nature of the image is real, inverted, and highly enlarged in size, as shown in figure 5. And next we have to see figure number 6. In figure number 6, object AB is placed in between focus f2 and optical center O. So let us consider two light rays. One is parallel to the principal axis and second one is passing through the optical center. Then the two refracted light rays are diverging away from each other. So when these two refracted light rays are producing backward, they will intersect at a point A dash. So here A dash, B dash represents the position of the image, and such type of image is called Barsuel image. So in this case, the nature of the image is Barsuel, erect, and enlarged in size. And when object say focus ka optical center mark the tamtar di refracted light ray anize laptop nagini aduna sige to refracted light ray se backward maning lom the produce to kan ka na halaba adu aitar di pagi image to behind the lens ki maning the lay ani hide on the same side of the object na lay nakan da tum lay gani ana sida lay ba a dash b dash na position of the image where aduna figure numbers from this figure number 6 we may write like this: when an object AB is placed in between f2 focus and central curvature O, its image a dash b dash will be formed behind the convex lens. The nature of the image is Barsuel, erect, and enlarged in size as shown in figure. Then another important point is, while drawing the ray diagrams, don't forget to put the arrowhead se so is the half is a this arrowhead indicates the direction of the light rays. Next come to image formation of concave lens. So in this figure, object is placed at infinity, that is far away from the concave lens. So the two light rays emerging from the object are parallel to each other, and they are supposed to be parallel to the principal axis. Then after refraction, the two refracted light rays appear to come out from the principal focus f1. That is, the two refracted light rays are intersecting at principal focus Barsueli, that is when they are produced backward. So here capital I represents the position of the image for the distant object. Aduna sigi figure is the urize sagi object yam laba leibani, object yam laba leitardi object ki lapa light ray singje amaga parallel oirani adu akoi namu principal axis ka parallel oiren lawrani ada principal axis ka parallel oitardi refraction to matung da sigi refracted light ray ani je focus agi thorpa mangani f1 aduna sigi refracted light ray ani je akoi da backward da producer kan da focus da intersect tore and sigi intersecting point na image ki position oirani I je aduga nature of the image the Barsuel oirani sida real image haiba yade Barsuel ogani because image is formed by the Barsuel intersection of the refracted light rays. Tasing account of na tabako aman hai tare aduga size yam pikani highly diminished oigani aduga erect oigani Barsuel oitar always erect oigani. Aduna Roman number 1 we may write like this: when an object is at infinity, its image capital I will be formed at focus f1. The nature of the image is Barsuel, erect, and highly diminished in size as shown in figure 1. And next, let us see figure number 2. In this figure number 2, here AB represents an object, and this object may be placed at any distance from the optical center. So here AB represents object, and let us consider two light rays emerging from this point A. One is parallel to the principal axis and other is passing through the optical center. So in case of incident light rays parallel to the principal axis, after refraction, the refracted light ray appears to come out from this focus F1, and in case of incident light ray passing through the optical center, after refraction, it will move without deviation. So these two refracted light rays are diverging from each other, and when they are produced backward, they will intersect at the point A dias, and this will be the partial position of the image for the object AD. Adon sidra A dias B dias na image oirodoini, and image se focus ka optical center mark laigane ba. Aduna figure number 2 the ulize, in case of concave lens study apoina object se thamningba jaga da ko thamba yai fix laite in front of the concave lens infinity na tabo ko aduga concave lens ki mamang da thamningba jaga da thamba tamda magi image se always focus ka optical center mark ta laine ba. Adu magi nature of the image ti partial ogani erect ogani aduga always diminish in size. Object ki size ki image ki size ne pikani. So we may analyze it in Roman number 2. When an object AB is placed in front of the concave lens, that is at any position, that is at any distance from the optical center, its image A B will be formed in between focus F1 and optical center O. The nature of the image is partial, erect, and diminished in size as shown in figure number 2. So in case of concave lens, there are only 2 image formation, and in case of convex lens there are 6 types of image formation.